Okay, behind the barn here, all this shit. I pulled out as many as I could, but I've got so many saplings growing in between everything. All of these need to be pulled out, and I cannot pull that shit out by hand. So we are going to get the come along and a chain and maybe a hook and strap it to these fuckers here and maybe to a utility pole or something around. We'll call it an electrical tree. I wouldn't use the telephone pole at all for that. All right, here goes nothing. All right, it worked. All right, let's try this again with safety glasses. I'm a good fucking role model. All right, now I just got like 180 more to go. It's already starting to look better. Look at all that extra space. This little blueberry bush here has more sunlight. Got all this shit out of there so far. Some of those were a little bit of a bitch. They were a little thicker than I anticipated, but it's looking good. All right, I am done for now. I took the trees out that were along here, let all that shit open up a little bit. These, I took a few out down here, and all this is blackberry bushes and things like that. There's some more trees there that I need to take out. The majority I took out right along here, and I started working my way back into there. Still got all these fuckers to take out, and all of those to take out, and then they go back a little further. But that's it for now. I'll have to finish that shit up maybe next week or something. I don't know. But I hear the thunderstorms starting and a brewing, and I don't want to rediscover electricity the Ben Franklin way. So I'm going to call it a day, all right? I'm sweating through my shorts here. Look, that's fucking grade A sweat stains right there, right through my shorts. It was a warm one today, so we're calling it a day, and I'll finish that shit up another time.